Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore cash out refinance decisions with Zillow Home Loans step by step clearly. To begin restoring cash out refinance decisions with Zillow Home Loans, access the Zillow Home Loans website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the loan options section on the home page. From there, select the cash out refinance option to get started. Review the eligibility requirements for a cash out refinance. Ensure your credit score, loan-to-value ratio, and other financial metrics meet the criteria. Next, gather the necessary documentation, such as your recent pay stubs, tax returns, and property details. Click on the Apply Now button to initiate the application process. Follow the prompts to enter your personal and financial information. Make sure to provide accurate details about your existing mortgage. After submitting your application, wait for the preliminary review. You will receive feedback regarding your eligibility and loan options. If approved, proceed to the next steps outlined in the application. Review the loan estimate carefully, focusing on interest rates and costs associated with the refinance. If everything looks good, confirm your decision to move forward with the process. A Zillow representative will then guide you through the next steps, including ordering an appraisal. Once the appraisal is complete, your loan will enter underwriting. Stay in communication with your Zillow loan officer to address any questions or concerns. After approval, review the closing disclosure. Finally, schedule a closing date to finalize your cash-out refinance. Congratulations! You have successfully restored your cash-out refinance decisions with Zillow Home Loans. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.